How to switch between Gemini Lite and ActiveTrader. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the profile menu at the top left corner of the screen. After it loads, tap on the first option labeled Gemini. Then the trading mode will open with two options to switch between Gemini Lite and ActiveTrader. Tap on the one you want to use. Gemini Lite provides a simple and user-friendly interface for easy buying and selling, while ActiveTrader offers advanced features like real-time charts, order books, and more trading tools for experienced users. After selecting your preferred mode, the app will automatically load the interface for that mode, allowing you to start trading or managing your assets immediately. You can switch back anytime by following the same steps, making it flexible for both beginners and advanced traders. Now you know how to switch between Gemini Lite and ActiveTrader. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.